Hello everyone, I'm sure you've been well. In today's episode, I'll take you through how I designed the poster behind me. I'll talk about the lighting and I'll play a time lapse for you just so that you can see the process from beginning to end. Let's start with the lighting. For this setup, my first step was to position the camera at the model's eye level. Then I used a styrofoam board as a white backdrop and faced two lights towards the board to ensure I get a pure white background. Next was the key light. Its role was twofold. Firstly, to light up the subject, and secondly, to light the suspended Rubik's Cube. To counterbalance the shadows and infuse some warmth into them, I used a golden reflector and positioned it opposite the key light. Right, so after the photo shoot, the next step was to put all the elements together. I've prepared a short time lapse that will take you through the whole process from beginning to end. So sit back and enjoy. And yep, that's it. There you have it. Before we wrap up, if you're curious about what sparked the creative direction for this poster, you can read all about it in my blog post. The link is in the description. Until the next one, stay golden, and thank you so much for watching.